Okay, just 1 minute. Oh, first question is that deforestation leads to what? So obviously, deforestation removes vegetation that protects the soil and leading to increased soil erosion. तब मतलब deforestation होगा तो क्या होगा? अगर आपका पेड़ ही नहीं रहेगा तो obviously the consequence will be what? Soil erosion. तो option will be option A. ठीक है. And next is that राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान RUSA. These terms are very important. So राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान, this aims to what? This aims to actually promote, or you can say improve the quality of higher education in India. तो रूसा जो स्कीम था वो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया था to improve access, equity and quality in higher education. Okay. नेक्स्ट ये है, हाँ ये टर्म भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, pedagogy. The pedagogy term refers to what? Pedagogy term refers to art and science of teaching. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन होगा आपका ऑप्शन बी. So pedagogy refers to what? It refers to the art and science of teaching. So this is the method and practice of teaching, especially in an academic environment where we are dealing with a subject, or you can say some kind of theoretical concept. So this can be considered both art and science. Okay. Then next thing is that what is variable? Variable, just a minute. A variable that the researcher manipulates in an experiment. So we have two variables, right? In research, we have dependent variable and as well as we have independent variables. So that variable which is being manipulated by the researcher is known as independent variable. हमें independent variable को manipulate करना होता है, ठीक है? तो independent variable is the one that is manipulated to observe its effect on the डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. जब हम इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को मैनिपुलेट करेंगे ऑब्वियसली उसका इफेक्ट डिपेंडेंट में आएगा, तो हम इसलिए टारगेट करते हैं क्या? इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट which of the following is not a component of Shannon and Weaver's communication? ये टर्म जो है Shannon and Weaver communication, very important term. Let me highlight it for you. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? Shannon and Weaver's model, or you can say Shannon and Weaver's model of communication, it consists of components like source रहेगा, source से message जाएगा, encoding होगा, then decoding होगा रिसीवर साइड में, then feedback. तो क्या क्या है आपका? source, message, encoding, decoding, feedback, but not intuition. Intuition Shannon and Weaver's model of communication का पार्ट नहीं है और कंपोनेंट नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन सोर्स तो है, मैसेज है, डिकोडिंग है, तो ऑप्शन होगा डी. ठीक है, तो डी मतलब ये इंट्यूशन इज नॉट अ पार्ट. Well, so for today I think I have to discuss more, but for today I have to close because it is already the time that I have to go. ठीक है, तो कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे.